Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS 5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the politics, and they're asking about the governance related topic. The question I was reading is about consider the following statement with reference to the governance during the British India. The first statement is said like the Board of Control was created so that they can look after the commercial affairs of the East India Company. Second said the Charter of 1813 permitted the Christian missionary so that they can promote religion and English education in our subcontinent, basically in the East part of the continent. Number third, the Charter Act of 1793 made by the Warren Hastings, the then Governor General of Bengal. Charter Act of 1793 is made by the Warren Hastings. Is the Charter Act are made by the Governor General of India? Basically, they are wanted to ask like that, or made by the Britisher in their parliament at that point of time. And option are these: first and third. I again repeat the question. Consider the following statement with reference to the governance during the British India. Number first statement is said like that the Board of Control was created so that they can check out the commercial affair of the East India Company, because their commerciality and the private partnership at that point of time is increasing, and to check these things so that the corruption is not part of their administration, so that they can create the Board of Control is it. Second, the Charter of 1813 permitted the Christians missionary so that they can what they wanted to promote religion or English education. Second statement is said like that. Number third, the Charter Act of 1793 made Warren Hastings then the Governor General of Bengal, and option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the history section. They are asking about the administrative officer and their description, what they are called to be. Number first is the Sanhidhata, Chief of Revenue Assessment. Second, Samhartha, Chief Custodian of the State Treasury. Number third, Rajukas, that is the Administration of Justice, and option are these: first and second, first, second, third. I again repeat the question for the better understanding of the question. These are the administrative office and their description, what they are called to be at that point of time in the Indian history of India. Sanhidhata, Chief of the Revenue Assessment. Samhartha, Chief Custodian of the State Treasury. Number third, Rajukas, that is the Administration of Justice, and option are these. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the monetary policy regime in India. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the monetary policy? You know very well there are two types of policy are found in India. Number first, the fiscal policy that are administered by the government. Second is the monetary policy, that is the work of the that is Central Bank of India, that is the RBI, in which they are target the inflation so that the inflation should not be increased high much, and the impact of these inflation is not so much, basically to the last person of India. Number first, the primary objective of the monetary policy is to check the increase the revenue of the central government. So they wanted, through monetary policy, they wanted to increase the revenue of the central government. Second is the instrument of the monetary policy, namely statutory liquid ratio, cash reserve ratio, are provided in the Banking Regulation Act of 1949 and RBI Act of 1934 respectively. Number third, as per the monetary policy framework agreement, the inflation target is determined by the RBI. So inflation target is determined by RBI in consultation with the central government. I again repeat the question because the question is very important, and first see the answer option here. You have to choose the correct option from the given option. Consider the following statement regarding the monetary policy reason. Number first, objective of the monetary policy, they wanted to increase the central government revenue. Number second, the instrument of monetary policy, namely statutory liquidity ratio, you know very well, RBI come up with the, for example, repo rate, reverse repo rate, and CRR, SLR are provided in the Banking Regulation Act of 1949 and RBI Act of 1934 respectively. So cash reserve ratio are given under the RBI Act of 1934, and Banking Regulation Act of 1949 is given under the Banking Regulation Act of 1949. Important statement is given there. As per the monetary policy agreement, the inflation target is determined by the RBI in consultation with the central government, and you have these options and you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's discuss the next question. Next question is related to the science and technology, and we are asking about the navigation system and which country they are associated with. Number first is the GLONASS is from Russia, Beidou from China, Galileo from United States of India, and Navig from India. Again repeat the question. Navigation system and country associated with this. For example, GLONASS in Russia, Beidou in China, Galileo in USA. Number fourth, Navig in India. And option, you have to choose the correct option from the given option. First and third, first, second, fourth. First, third, fourth, second, fourth, right? Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the mangrove forest that are found in which of the following state of India. So they are asking about the mangrove position. For example, West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat. and where they are found, basically mangrove, and option are these. I can repeat the question. Mangrove forests are found in which of the following state of India? West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat, and option are first, second, third, fourth, first, second, fourth, first, second, third, fourth, all of the above. Let's see the answer of the first question. If they are asking about the British India governance during the British India, basically, so only second is correct. The board of control was created to look after the commercial affair of the East India Company. No, it is not like that. Board of directors are created so that they can check out the commercial affair of East India Company. So board of control are just give the administration or the good governance in the Indian subcontinent. Basically, they are more toward the political, but the directors are more towards the commercial interest of the East India Company. Second, if you are talking about the Charter Act of 1813 permit the Christian mission, that is correct. Number third, Charter Act of 1793 made Warren Hastings. No, that are made by the British government, that are found in the Parliament of the British in UK, basically at that point of time. So second only correct. Let's see the explanation that are given by the vision itself. Under the Pitt's Act of 1784, a new body called the Board of Control was created. It empowered the Board of Control to supervise and direct all operation of the civil and military government, right, over revenue of the British possession in India, while the Court of Directors are charged with the responsibility of the commercial affair of the East India Company. So, Court of Directors are for the commercial affair of the East India Company, but Board of Control are directed towards civil and military governance at that point of time in the Indian subcontinent. If you are talking about the second statement, Charter Act of 1813 permitted the Christian missionary. That is also correct because of industrialization in the British basically Britain, you can say in other words, and because of the industrialization at that point of time, people are much more aware, much more enlightened. They are not aware about their own right, but also the others' right also, and they wanted to express their feelings, emotions, and propagate their religion as per their own faith. So that are under the Charter Act of 1813 give the permission by the British government basically to the citizen of the British. They can go there, for example in India, and propagate their religion, and in this sector they are permitted in. Okay. The act expressed asserted the crown sovereign, however British India, it allotted 1 lakh empowerment for the education in Indian masses, so that also be correct. The act permitted Christian missionaries so they can promote English and preach the religion, and these are the Christian missionaries, right. Warren Hastings became the Governor General in 1773 under the Regulating Act 1770. The post Governor General was designated as the Governor General of Bengal, and the first such Governor General was Warren Hastings. So third is not correct. So that is not the Warren Hastings at 1793, but that is in 1773. Just very factual question. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the administrative officer and description. Rajuka's administration of justice. Third only correct. Let's see the explanation because that is very much factual. Maurya during the ancient India had one of the most sophisticated administrative systems of their time. This system was based on the ideas Kautilya Arthashastra that are given in their book, and Kautilya is also known as the Vishnu Gupta at that point of time. First pair and second is not correct because the Maurya period constitute a landmark period in the system of taxation in ancient India. The series of taxes to be collected required strong and efficient machinery for assessment, collection and storage. Samhatra was the highest officer in charge of the revenue assessment, and Sanidata was the chief custodian of the state treasury. So, Sanidata are nothing but a chief custodian of the state treasury, and Samharta are the chief revenue assessment, right, officer. C is correct because Rajukas are the administration of justice during the King Ashoka or the Mauryan Empire. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the monetary policy. The primary object of the monetary policy increase the revenue. No, that is the targeting the inflation. So first is not correct. The instrument of monetary policy, namely SLR and cash reserve ratio, provided Bank Regulation Act of 1949 and RBI Act of 1934. That is correct. So second is correct only. As per the monetary policy framework agreement, the inflation target determined by the RBI, no, that is made by the government. See, there are two type of function. One is the operational function and second is the administrative function. Operational function are done by the RBI, but administration function are done by the government, in which they are giving the target and they just wanted to just control or manage these number of target inflation, right. So third is not correct. You can see here the whole explanation. I am thinking it is not good to give whole explanation. Navigation system, second and fourth are correct here. Beedu from China, that is correct. Navik from India, that is correct. GLONASS from Russia, that is incorrect because GLONASS is in Russia, that is also correct. First and fourth, but Galileo is from European Union, and USA, you know very well GPS, right. Let's see the explanation. Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System is an independent Indian satellite-based positioning system for the critical national application. The major objective is to provide them reliable position, navigation and timing service over India and its neighborhood so that they can provide fairly good accuracy to the user. The IRNSS will provide basically two type of services. Number first, the standing or the standard positioning services, which is provided by all the user. Restricted service, that is an encrypted service that is used by the authorized user, for example the military purpose or the government, to be very precise. To date, ISRO has built a total of 9 satellites in the IRNSS series, of which 8 are currently in orbit. 3 of these satellites are in geostationary orbit. Do remember this fact, because 3 satellites are in geostationary while the remaining geosynchronous orbit are found. And I already talked about there are a total of 9 satellites that are found that are in part of the IRNS system that contain an inclusion of 29 degrees so that they can make the equatorial plane. IRNS constellation was made as NAVIC. Following are the navigation system of other nations, for example United States global positioning system. Today we are using very highest frequency. Japan, that is QZSS, do remember this fact also. Russia, global navigation satellite system GLONASS. China, BEIDU, that is BEIDOU navigation satellite system. European Union, that is Galileo. And you are very surprised to know that the Galileo are from the European Union or the Britain itself. Let's see the where mangrove forests are found. So all are correct here. As per the State Forest Report of 2019, the area under the mangrove forest are as follows. For example, Andhra Pradesh 404. Just a minute. For example, West Bengal, you can see the highest is one, then Gujarat, and next is Andaman and Nicobar. Number 4th is I think Andhra Pradesh, right? Bas. Let's see important revision part in which they are talking about the Dakhil. What is e-Dakhil? Let's see. E-Dakhil portal for filing of the consumer complaint is currently operational in the 15 Union territories. So that's why it is in news. E-filing was launched by the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission as per Act of the 7th September 2020. A web application named edakhil.nic.in for online redressal of the consumer grievance has been developed by NIC for the purpose. National Information Center under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology provide technology-driven substitution solution so that they can control the central and the state government. The Consumer Protection Act of 2019, which come into force in July 2020, provide for the e-filing of the consumer complaint in the Consumer Commission. So that is a good sign toward the digitalization of the various problems that we are facing in day-to-day life and administration, where the red tapeism also found, and they are using ICT so that they can reduce the nepotism and red tapeism and corruption also indirectly. Department of Consumer Affairs, a separate department of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Distribution, Public Distribution is following up the state and unit so they can launch e-filing portal. That was the first state they can implement e-filing portal. So it is a good news for the Delhi Heights on September 8, 2020. Later, Maharashtra, Andaman, Nicobar, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Chandigarh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Karnataka, Haryana implemented the facility of e-filing in their respective state. Total 4 are covered under the NCDRC State Commission and District Commission. Let's see the, just a minute. Let's see what is the advantage of these type of services that central government come up with, or the Ministry of the Central Government come up with, that are part what they are enjoying right now. They are easy and simple process for all complaint so that consumer complaint can be filed. This enable consumer to file a new consumer complaint, first appeal and revision petition online. Also consumer and advocate can request fees online from anywhere, so that is a good thing, and there is not necessity that then you have to go to the that shop and then you return or then complain. That is not required there. Any part of India, if you are present there, you can go or you can file the complaint online also, and that is the positive sign toward the digitalization. Other service, if you are talking about it, provide e-notices, case download link, VC hearing link, filling, writing response by opposite party, flying rejoined by complaint, and alert via SMS, email also. So they can give a whole processes, and that is very much so that you can aware what is the status of your complaint. It facilitates the Consumer Commission to scrutinize the complaint online, to accept, reject or forward the complaint to the concerned commission for further processing. Common Service Center also be opened and integrated with the e-Dakhil portal so that they can facilitate the rural consumer in filing their complaint in the Consumer Commission, right? The digital portal will also streamline consumer complaint and redressal mechanism throughout the country, right? Let's see the next news that is related to the black-browed babbler, often more than 170 years. Let's the rediscovery of the, that is the black-browed babbler. You can see the color of the brown there. That's why their name is like that. Let's see the what is their condition, how they can rediscover after a 170 years time. Black-browed babbler, that scientifically called as Malacoquinacula persiplepta, was spotted in southeast Kalimantan, Borneo, Indonesia in October 2020 after 170. So that is the great breakthrough of time, you can say, because new species that are hidden, that are gone from earth, many scientists are believing in this, but they are rediscovering. What is the reason for that? You should know your biological concept there. The finding of this lost bird was reported in February 2021 in Birding Asia, the annual bulletin of the Oriental Bird Club, right? More than 150 species of the bird around the world are considered lost with no confirmed sign in the past decade. In the longest known missing period, the Asian species, that is the Butchart et al. 2005 give the definition. The bird was found between 1843 to 1848 through the dense equatorial forest of Borneo. Because of the palm cultivation there, these forests are obliterating at that point of time, and the impact is that these type of bird are extinct at that point, and they are not spotted by the scientists there. It has the stout appearance with a relatively short tail and a robust bill similar to the holotype. The species holotype is now at the naturalized Biodiversity Center in Leiden, Netherlands. The facial appearance of the bird is very distinct, with the crown being chestnut brown. I already took it, for example, that is the bird there, so that the hair color is the brown. So let's see. Eyes being deep red, unlike the holotype which has artificial yellowish eyes, but they have a red eyes. Fortunately or unfortunately, it means they are not easily be predictable by their prey. Right? The legs are dark slate grey and listed in the data deficient category in the IUCN. Readily do remember this fact, because scientists don't have their enough data, so that their category in the data deficient category in the IUCN red list. Nothing substantial is known about their size and position and the